Imagine if getting into real estate wasn't just for millionaires. What if you could start right now, even with limited cash, using the power of technology? Sounds impossible? Well, think again. Welcome to Tech and Finance Code. Today we're diving into the game-changing ways that technology is making real estate investing easier and more accessible than ever before. By the end of this video, you'll see why waiting is no longer an option, because the best time to start is today. How to start investing in real estate with little money. The tech advantage. Technology is disrupting the way we buy, sell, and invest in property. Gone are the days of physically hunting for deals or needing endless paperwork. Now, you can invest from your smartphone in minutes. Platforms like Fundrise let you invest with as little as $10, giving you access to commercial real estate previously reserved for the wealthy. Roofstock enables investors to buy rental properties across the country without leaving their homes. And thanks to blockchain technology, fractional real estate ownership is becoming a reality, making it possible to own a share in properties without a massive upfront investment. Let's look at real investors who started small and used strategic moves to build real estate empires. Consider Grant Cardone, a name many associate with massive real estate success. But did you know he began with just one small property? By leveraging technology, social media, and smart financing, he scaled his portfolio to over $4 billion in assets. Then there's Barbara Corcoran, who built a multi-million-dollar real estate empire from an initial $1,000 loan. She took risks, adapted to the market, and used innovation to transform the industry. And if you think age is a barrier, think again. Meet Kevin started investing in real estate as a teenager. Through strategic property flips and leveraging online platforms, he created a multi-million-dollar portfolio and became a YouTube sensation sharing his insights. Let's talk about how you can start investing in real estate with minimal capital. Here are 3 proven strategies to get you started. First up, house hacking. Purchase a small multi-unit property, live in one unit, and rent out the others. Your tenants help pay your mortgage, drastically reducing your living expenses. And the best part? You can use FHA loans, which require just 3.5% down, making homeownership incredibly affordable. Next, wholesaling. Instead of buying properties yourself, you find undervalued homes, secure a purchase contract, and assign it to an investor for a fee. This requires almost zero upfront capital and is one of the fastest ways to make money in real estate. Finally, real estate crowdfunding. Investment platforms like Fundrise and Realty Mogul allow you to own a stake in lucrative properties with just a small initial investment. AI-driven analytics pick high-growth projects, letting you earn passive income without dealing with tenants or maintenance. The real estate market is no longer out of reach for young investors. With cutting-edge tech tools, creative financing strategies, and digital platforms, getting started is simpler and more affordable than ever. So what's holding you back? You've just discovered how technology is reshaping real estate investing. And now, it's time to take action. Drop a comment below and tell me, which strategy interests you the most? And if you want to see step-by-step guides on tech-driven investing, make sure to subscribe to Tech and Finance Code for more expert insights.